Hello everybody, this is from Patio Frutal. Um, as we can see, the season has already come upon us. It's October the 24th. Um, and this is the latest ever that I has harvested any fruit. Uh, but here are my Artic kiwis, which are very plentiful right now, even though my trees, my vines didn't produce all that many. But as you can see, they are, get up close. Here they are. They're hard to see in all the ripening leaves. But you can see there's plenty of kiwis. I'm going to be harvesting them because the temperature is going to be dropping below 32 degrees. So I'll be picking this up because the frost will damage the fruit. It is, it's winter is coming, so we have to get these babies off the plant. As you can see up there, quite a bit of them. So I'll be picking this up, and at the end, I'll just started picking up by hand in this amount. They are quite ripe. Some of them are not ripe, but we'll put them in a paper bag. As you can see, they're very, very soft and delicious. Oh, it's like a candy, and it's actually better than the kiwis that you buy in the store because there's no acidity to it. So there they are. I'll show you at the end the harvest, because they all gotta come down. See you in a little.